Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. The price of a Shiba Inu is going to double tonight, which is great news for Shiba owners. As new coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and the launch of Shibarium, a future Layer 2 Lao2 blockchain network built on Ethereum for Shiba Inu, hit the market. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more popular and accepted. This will turn Shiba Inu, a joke coin, into a full ecosystem. We'll talk about how the price is going to double tonight in this film. Big news about Shib, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see our newest videos on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, please share the channel and subscribe. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu has grown into a popular joke coin and is now one of the 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market value. The people who work on Shib have kept up a steady pace of growth in different projects. It is well known that the Shib ecosystem has reached important standards and milestones. One of the most recent milestones was reached. A recent announcement says that Binance will move Shiba Inu and other tokens such as the Freshare Trust Wallet token and One out of the innovation zone on April 18. In the announcement, Binance said that the innovation zone was created to give Binance users a safe place to trade new and creative projects. Over time, some of these projects may have shown their worth and met the high standards we expect. Binance said that Shib and these other tokens will no longer be in the innovation zone after a careful review. Shib reached this milestone after Binance reviewed it based on a number of factors. To test the network under a lot of stress, someone made a script that created millions of accounts. The number of hosted wallets on the beta version of the Shibarium network keeps going up, which makes people wonder what's causing this quick increase. According to new information, a script was written to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. In a recent tweet, a team member from Shibarium, an NFT project based on Shiba Inu, said that they wrote a script that created over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and over 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member also said that they were responsible for creating around 1620 tokens. Among these are the Deo token, the Shibarium token Spox. The Puppy Scan, which is the official block explorer for PuppyNet, shows that the network has over 13.3 million wallet names and over 347 million transactions this month. Remember that the number of wallets recently jumped by 86 in just 2 days, reaching more than 5 million. This unbelievable rise was caused by this plot. The goal of the test network is to give interested parties a chance to test the network in different ways, to make sure it works and is reliable before it goes live on the main net. Satoshi Kusama, the leader of Shiba Inu, has said many times, all activities, tokens, and transactions seen on the testnet are only for testing purposes and are not real. Creating a script to create millions of wallets on the test network is a good example of this. The people who wrote the script said they wanted to test how well the network could handle high-traffic events like games and airdrop. They also said that an airdrop script and other tests would be run to see how well the network handles transaction times and other functions. As of now, there have been no reported bugs in the month of March. The SHIB burns have been very impressive. In March, 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burned in 540 transactions, which is a big jump from the previous months. The March burn was the highest since October 2022, when 9.5 billion SHIB were burned in 2433 transactions. Yesterday, the SHIB burn tracker announced that the total burn rate went up by 1.8 because of this deal compared to the previous day. This is a sign of the upward trend. The trend can also be seen in the futures market. Since the beginning of March, Shib has seen a rise in open interest, which is the number of active positions investors have taken in contracts. According to data from CoinList, the number of open futures has gone over 2.4 trillion, which is about $26.78 million. It was only about $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest shows that traders are becoming more interested in SHIBs. The SHIB price hit its yearly high of 0.159 in early February. At press time, the OI was $47.3 million, and the Shinu price was 0.1083 as discussed on News BCC. The SHIB price is now trading in an ascending triangle. which is a continuation pattern. With today's dip to 0.164, the Shib has written a new higher low, so the uptrend remains intact. The end of April could mark the final decision on whether the bulls or bears win. Shiba Inu has recently started to catch the attention of investors as its futures open interest skyrocketed to 2.4 trillion tokens, which is about $275 million. This is part of a slow but steady rise that began a month ago. A rising pattern suggests a renewal of interest, which leads to expectations of a price surge. The total number of open futures contracts that haven't been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade is called the open interest. This number basically shows how many contracts are still active and held by market participants. When an asset's open interest goes up a lot, it usually means that a lot of new money is entering the market, and traders are taking positions and guessing how prices will move based on data from CoinG. There is a link between Shib's open interest and its price action, as the asset price usually goes up when its OEG goes up. For example, when Shib's went up to 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million, on February 5th, the Shib's price went up to 11,527, making it the asset's highest value that day. However, Shib's OI started going down after February 5th, and the asset price also started going down after a drop to the low. The value of open interest is rising again, and buyers are expecting the price of the asset to follow suit. Shib's trade volume on Binance has been steadily rising every day for the past 4 days, after dropping to 1.58 trillion Shib on April 8th. Today, the volume stands at 2.4 trillion tokens, even though Shib is currently underperforming. It is trying to break above an ascending triangle. It is currently stuck in during the long consolidation period the asset is currently going through. 1 hours. If the triangle breaks, Shib could aim for the February highs of 0.15. Recent market trends show that the asset has become popular, and more demand could help it reach its goals. The coin market cap's Q1 2023 report showed that Shib was one of the 3 most viewed assets on every location. The Shiba Inu community has also recently hinted at an iconic partnership with legendary musician Scott Pagey and a NFT collaboration with famous American sculptor Jack Storms, in which Storms would sell Shib on his official store. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our next videos.